it going full speed. Yeah.
That one right there.
I want to see it. I mean, I know what it feels like.
My left front tire's going flat.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, they aren't being raised, Jason.
AR?
Where?
Oh yeah, I see it now. Yep. Well, they say the ARs on these ain't worth shit anyway. I can still drive.
Well, ain't nothing gonna be worth shit now.
Hell no. I tell Jessica all the time, I said, whatever we break, we just upgrade.
My buddy put a rock in the middle of the damn road.
They didn't even put them over here, though, did they?
No. Yeah, because I went right around it.
Yeah, I was just going right up the hill.
I'm
bam.
moving, I guess. We're moving up.
Probably not another hole of air. Let me go forward a little bit more. So close to the freaking paper.
Stop all at one time.
Easy. Hey, that rock's a bitch, ain't it? I doubt it's gonna hold air.
Oh, he needs that air.
Jessica had to drive it home.
Was given to me was
I said, how did you drive
3
it?
months.
Yeah,
Oh,
hard to steer, wasn't it?
She don't know no
But it
difference.
didn't give me no side effects, but it didn't cure my migraine either.
What'd you say?
I said, hey,
Say cheese.
Hey.
cheese.
Say it one time.
What happened? Did we just wreck?
You get the swamp air. Say it.
I'm not saying that. Tell him I'm
Hey,
not saying
I don't want to get my butt wet. Say it.
You
No.
don't get the swamp ass.
Swamp ass.
What you said last
You hushed. You wasn't there.
Yeah, he was there. He was
I
there.
was not there.
Jason got on YouTube.
No,
Wait, what was when he went? Swamp ass.
I'm not saying that.
Jessica said, I mean, Jessica said, take that off.
My children were killed out in 10 years.
Hey, Jessica, you broke his cable.
His winch cable,
Now you got to buy him a rope.
that's because he ain't fixed it.
It was fixed.
No, it wasn't fixed. I told you to put a box around it so it couldn't be hit.
I do need one of those
Exactly. That's your problem.
I
Yeah.
need one of those
Put
things.
that on video.
Say cheese.
I need one of those things like you flip up like a knife button.
Yeah, like a fighter jet.
The
Yeah.
last time I hit it because I jumped over to his seat because he tried to get me wet in the kahaba.
What? How you spell that?
That's something we
C-A-B-A-H-A.
out burnt the whole
Hey.
thing.
And it's my fault because he engineered it wrong.
Alright.
Electrician engineered it wrong.
Hey, you'll have that.
That's the worst kind.
Hey,
Yeah.
let's head back to the river before I have another flat.
Where's the
And
tire
that's
at?
to the
It's
river
good.
because
No,
you
where's the
did it
spare?
wrong.
Oh, it's on my trailer.
At the river?
Yeah.